Cloves are beneficial for managing high blood pressure due to their rich antioxidant content, particularly eugenol, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood circulation. This vasodilatory effect can reduce overall blood pressure levels. Additionally, cloves possess anti-inflammatory properties that may further support cardiovascular health. By reducing inflammation and preventing the buildup of harmful substances in the arteries. Their high levels of magnesium and potassium also contribute to maintaining a healthy blood pressure balance. Why cloves for high blood pressure actually work well? 1. It adds important nutrients. Cloves are rich in vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Just 1 tablespoon of clove water provides manganese, vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and only 21 calories. Vitamin K prevents blood clotting, and vitamin C strengthens the immune system. Fiber and manganese aid digestion, and the low-calorie content makes cloves a safe choice for those with high blood pressure. 2. Rich in antioxidants, vitamin C and eugenol, found in cloves, act as antioxidants that combat free radicals and harmful cells, boosting your immune system. Eugenol, a rare natural antioxidant, helps reduce hypertension and stress, both major contributors to high blood pressure. However, it's important to use eugenol in moderation, as excessive doses can be harmful. Studies on eugenol are ongoing to better understand its effects. 3. Can improve the liver's health. The powerful components present in cloves are capable of improving the liver's health naturally. The expert found in studies that cloves help to reduce the liver's inflammation and oxidative stress. They provoke the good enzymes of the liver and maintain the bowel tract. It has also been found in some studies that people who were taking cloves in their regular meals have better liver health than others. So try to add cloves or grounded cloves in your meal and give a new life to the liver. 4. Stimulate the immune system. As mentioned, cloves are rich in natural antioxidants and vitamins. A strong immune system is crucial for maintaining good health, while a weak one can lead to various diseases. Factors like poor lifestyle choices, diseases, excessive drug use, junk food, lack of exercise, and heredity can weaken immunity. Regular use of cloves can boost your immune power, protecting your body from infections and allergies. 5. Good for bone health. Cloves contain manganese, which is known for increasing bone health and bone density. Several studies done on animals showed that cloves provoke bone health. The results of cloves on human bones still require more testing and research. We always say that nature has provided many amazing ingredients to us, only we are unaware of their benefits. People use clove oil and clove powder to cure teeth ache or for other body pain, but it can also treat blood pressure. It is great news for those people who are really disturbed by their trouble. If clove doesn't suit you and you have any allergy, then do not perform any experiment with your health or first ask to an expert. Try this remedy and share your experience with us. If you have any questions regarding this remedy, then ask us. Follow all the instructions as described. Meet you next time with a new recipe that will surely help you again.